Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. Now whenever I do my makeup, I don't like covering my freckles. I try to avoid doing that as much as possible. So if you're a freckle girly like me, this is the makeup tutorial for you. Now there's probably tons out there that can also help you, but this is how I maneuver around it, and honestly I freaking love it. I freaking love it. So yeah, with that being said, let's get right into the tutorial. So for this, I am going to be doing a voiceover. I'm also going to show you guys everything that I'm using with pictures. Right now I'm using the NYX Elmer's Glue Primer. That's basically what it is. And I'm just going to rub that all over my face. Get everything. Get the... Oh, cat hair. Great. Amazing. The fuck? Now we're gonna get the forehead. Make sure you get all of your face. Now for the eyes, I like starting out with my eyes before I move to my face. So what I do is I take the Davis pencil gel, I think, in the shade brown, and I make like a little ombre eyeliner. I don't like regular eyeliner. I mean, only sometimes, but right now we're doing a little ombre eyeliner, okay? And then after that, you're gonna put black on top of the brown and just blend that together. The key to get like a really sharp look is you use your fingers, which is what I'm about to do like in 3, 2, 1. Holy shit, I got it right. But I guess we're not done here, or are we? Okay, so we're gonna do the other eye. I was clearly struggling to film this because of the angle, as you can obviously see. Now for the eye, the rest of the eye, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the contour palette just to create a little like matte finish to it, if that makes sense. And we're just gonna do that to the other eye. Then once I finish with this is what I'm gonna do. Hold on, what are we gonna do now? Oh, we're gonna scratch our face. Oh, or let's just ignore that. Yeah. Okay, so for lip gloss, I like to use a lip injection gloss because you got a lip prep anyway, so I might as well, you know, get my lips massive. But I'm not gonna lie, this burns so freaking bad, it's not even funny. Like, I'm praying right now for the pain, but like, I like to put the concealer in the back of my hand because I don't like super duper heavy coverage. I feel like it looks cakey. This brush is so good to blend out concealer. It's from Amazon. I can put the name on the screen. So I'm just gonna blend that in really quick. Blend the other eye really quick. It does usually take a minute for me to like fully blend this out. So let me just, yeah, take your time, bro. Take your time. Now we gotta get the chin. Now the way you don't cover your freckles is you really just hit the spots that normally like need to be concealed, if that makes sense. That's the best way I can freaking explain it. I am not the best at explaining things. Like that area of your nose is typically red, so you want to cover that really quick. You don't have to cover your entire face. And then the laugh lines, because you know, sometimes when you're funny you laugh too much. Now for my forehead, I'm gonna use a different one. I'm gonna use the like foundation stick. I think that's what this is. It does have really good coverage, which is why I use it on my forehead. Now moving on to the next. This smells like chocolate and it throws me off because it's very artificial, but it's a good contour stick. Now when I did this, I thought I put too much because of the lighting. It looked like I put too much, but looking back at this clip, like, it wasn't even that much, bro. It was actually a good amount. Now we're just gonna dot all over the areas. Now you see how I'm not covering the freckles. They're still there. Now we're gonna blend that away. I used to like drag my brush when I would blend, but I knew that that's not how you do it. You gotta like slightly drag it and then keep tapping it. It's kind of like, look at it as like a really long beauty blender. That's how I manage it. Now we're gonna go ahead. All right, yeah, just take your time. Yeah, see, I thought it was super duper dark and I was freaking the fuck out trying to like blend this, but no, I was definitely tripping. Like, it wasn't even that bad. Damn, fucking strong ass jawline. All right, now we're gonna blend the other side. Can we blend the other side? Can we get to that, Tana, please? Come on. Okay, we're gonna do the nose first. We're gonna do the nose. You can't miss the nose. Now we're gonna do the chin again. And then the other side. Finally, we got to the other side. As you can see, I take contouring very seriously. Like, that's face of pure dedication right there. Like, I'm locked the fuck in. So now we're gonna get the forehead to make it a little smaller. Well, I don't have a big forehead, but we're gonna still make it smaller. Yeah, no, girl, it's okay. It's not that dark. I was really tweaking over here. Now we're gonna take the blush. This blush is so aesthetic. I love it. I would put the music that I was listening to, but I don't want to get copyrighted, lol. So I love this little sponge to blend out the blush. It's so cute and it does the job so well, as you can clearly see. We're gonna do the other side really quick. Blend, 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 blend. Would you look at that? Beautiful. Look at that beautiful color. I love this blush so much. I adore it. It's so cute. Now we're gonna go ahead and set everything. Now you don't want to set before you use any liquid products. It's gonna just separate, and I had to learn that the hard way. I did it wrong like for many years. Actually no, I would say many months. I just lied. But yeah, you're just gonna set it. You don't want to use too much. I mean, if you do, you can, but we're not trying to cover our freckles, so we're gonna use a moderate amount. And then we're gonna get the forehead. Beautiful, beautiful. Can't miss the forehead. And then we're gonna get the chin. You cannot miss the chin either. And now to make this super duper sharp, the key is to basically just do this. You gotta cut that hoe real sharp. Okay. So for the blush, we're just gonna ignore that. I scratched the hell out of it. It's cool though. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, it's okay. Now this blush is so freaking pretty. It's like this light pink-ish because of the highlight that's like attached to it. We're gonna put that on the nose. I don't know why I put contour after the blush. I don't know why. Oh, why are we flexing? Now we gotta blend this out. The job has been completed. Now I'm gonna nose contour. Now I just started doing this. Normally I don't really nose contour because I don't know how to. I saw this trick online like a long time ago, and I've been doing that since. Now we're gonna try to sharpen it, make it more defined. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. Now we're gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then we'll blend it out. Oh, we're not done. Oh, we're not done. Okay. We're putting more. All right, Tana. Okay, now we're blending it out. And we're gonna put some on the middle to define it more. Now, this is very important. You want to put highlighted. You're gonna put highlighter right in the middle of it. And now I'm gonna be using the same contour palette to add like a little bit definition under my eyes. I'm using this color right here. I'm gonna put it on the screen. And now to finish the eye look, we're gonna use a little white eye pencil to create a more defined look. You know, gotta make your eyes look a little bigger than they actually are. Boom. Now to set it, we're gonna use a Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Oh, wow, nice. Now for the lip combo, this is very important. This is very important. We're gonna take the Wherever Walnut from Makeup Forever, and obviously line our lips like so. And then let's just wait till she gets there. Yeah, take your time, bro. Take your time. Then we're gonna take the Into You lipstick, and we're gonna put more eyeliner. I meant to say lip pencil to, you know, define it more. And then we're done. Wait, hold on. Now this, ladies, is basically how I do my makeup. I do this, I think, every day. Eventually I'll switch it up and then I'll make another one, but this is how I do it. I hope you guys like this look just as much as I do. And yeah, that's literally it. Goodbye.